Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G41, and today I would like to show you how you can add an alarm clock on this smartphone. First of all, go into menu. Then you need to find clock and tap on it. After that, select alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and tap on this blue plus icon. Now you need to set up an hour and save it by tapping on OK. Then pick days of the week by tapping on the one that you wish to set up and click on vibrate. You can disable or enable vibrations this way. Now finally click on this bell icon here, pick one of those melodies as your alarm sound and go back. You can also though click on add new over here, click on one of these sources, I will go with send anywhere app and tap on the song that you wish to set up. Then go back and click on this little icon next to the switcher. And as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. You can also delete it by clicking on this icon next to the switcher, choosing delete icon at the bottom left corner, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!